Hello everyone. Last time I spoke to you like this was in April end, at the end of our Q4 last year's results. I welcome this opportunity to speak to all of you again at the end of first quarter results and what all has happened in this quarter. Last time when I spoke to you, things were looking uncertain. We didn't know how COVID-2, the second wave, is going to pan out. Today, we know that, okay, the wave is towards its end. We know that as a company, we have not only managed the second wave well, we have not only emerged on the other side safe, but we have also emerged on the other side stronger. And I need to thank each one of you for that. This has not been without costs. We have paid heavy costs for this. And each one of us need to be fully aware of the heavy costs we have paid. Close to 2,000 of our colleagues came down with COVID. This is in addition to people's family members who also suffered. And we need to make sure that in future, if a wave 3 comes, we are completely ready that such problems don't happen. But an even bigger cost was the 18 colleagues that we lost, who this dreaded disease took away from us forever. That is a cost I don't think any amount of performance, any amount of money can make good. My deepest of respects, deepest of gratitudes to those colleagues who have laid down their life actually in the line of duty, and to their families. Only want to assure those families that while nobody can make good for the loss of the near and dear ones that you had, this company will stand by you to make sure that at least financially you don't experience this big loss that you have had. So, let us pay our respects to these departed colleagues. And more importantly, again ensure that we ourselves take all care to see that this dreaded disease is stopped and we don't have any further losses of human life because of that. If you remember last time I had told you few things. सबसे पहले तो ये बोला था डर के आगे जीत है. Yes, all of us were afraid at that point of time, but today we stand here stronger. I am not saying we have won yet, but we are very well on the road to win. There are 3 more things that I had told you. Priority. Number 1, take care of yourself first. Take care of yourself and your families. Make sure that you stay safe. Of course, काम तो करना है, but stay safe. Have all COVID appropriate behavior. आपके वैक्सीनेशंस हो गए होंगे, लेकिन स्टिल वेयर मास्क्स, वॉश योर हैंड्स ऑफन, डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सेकेंड, टेक केयर ऑफ योर कलीग्स and their families who face problems. Yes, HR, admin, all these people will reach there, but you are there on the ground. Please help them first. And third, make sure that business is done better and better and better. Whichever part of the organization you work in, whether you are in business, collection, group support functions, anywhere, you have a particular role to play in making this company what it is and making it stronger. Just keep doing that every day. These 3 things, when you do, the company will become stronger, and it has. At the end of what was a horrible quarter for the economy, we have done better. We have done better financially. We have done better in terms of our market shares, our business strengths. It is all thanks to you. There is one more thing that we have done this quarter, for which I need to thank all of you, and which I would consider, yes, our profits have grown by 20%. Yes, the company's balance sheet is much more stronger, but there is one achievement which belongs to each one of you. which I want to put number one in our achievement, is that 95% of our staff today is vaccinated at least once. And when the window opens up, we will make sure that you get your second vaccination also on time. 95% is not 100%, and there are some 5% remaining for various reasons. It is my appeal, not only my appeal, my instruction to each one of you that don't have any hesitancy. Vaccine is safe. I have myself done two vaccines. My antibody is very strong now, and I am reasonably relaxed and safe. I want each one of you, the remaining 5% also, to immediately take your vaccination and make sure that our company is 100% vaccinated and safe. It doesn't mean that after vaccination you will not get COVID, but yes, you can say with reasonable certainty that it will be fairly mild, and that is what each one of us needs. With that, let me come to our financial performance. Last time I had said that we have built 5 strengths. Number 1, the business strengths that we have built in the market. Number 2, the collection strengths that we have built in the market. Number 3, the liability franchise, the power of raising money that we have built in the market. Number 4, the provisions that we keep making additional to make our balance sheet strong. And number 5 is the equity we had raised by the rights issue to take our capital adequacy to a very good, strong level. Yes, in Q1, it's not like every business has grown. Some businesses have done well, some businesses have not done that well. But most importantly, each one of you has done their utmost to go out in the market and do business well. And if we just keep doing that, in addition to those 3 instructions, today I am going to say very, very simple things to you. Every day, go out in the market, come to office, or if you are working from home, do that. And do one thing better than what you did yesterday. Just one thing better. If your job is to do business, do 1 unit more. Job is to do collection, do 1 collection more. Your job is in any support function, whatever you do, do it more efficiently than what you did yesterday. And every day, definitely for the rest of your life, but at least till the next time we talk, that is for the next 90 days. If you do this, you will see where our company will go in the next quarter. Company in the current circumstances have done fairly well. Our profit has grown by 20% over last year. Our provisioning is good. Our capital adequacy is at 25%. Our retail businesses have grown. Generally speaking, we have done well, but all this is comparison with Q1 of last year, which was not a great quarter. And last year, if you remember, we have done Q2 was better than Q1, Q3 was better than Q2, and Q4 was better than Q3. And if we have to continue this year also, it is not going to be easy. And if the only Guru Mantra I have to give you, forget the big financial words, all those things. Simple thing I will tell you is each of the 23,500 of us does one small thing better today than yesterday and one small thing better tomorrow than today. Every day we will be there. We will achieve that. We will be the great company that all of us are meant to be. You do that and be assured that you work for a company which will always take care of you. Take care of your well-being, take care of your financial well-being, your health well-being, and most importantly, take care of your career. You promise me to do better every day than yesterday, and I promise you a great working atmosphere, a great career, the best of health, and a great company to work for all of us. It's like our mother. Let's make it stronger. Thank you.